how to add Chrome bookmark folder. First, open any Chrome browser and go to these three dots. When you click on it, then just scroll down and click on bookmarks and list. When you click on it, here go to bookmark manager. When you click on it, the bookmark will be open. If you want to use your keyboard, then just press Ctrl plus Shift plus O. Your bookmark will be open. Now again go to these three dots and from here click on add new folder. When you click on add new folder and give the name of your folder, I am giving the name tools, then click on save. And now how to add any website to folder, then click on any website, then just copy it and scroll down to that folder. When you scroll down, the website will be added to your folder. As you can see, that website has been added to my folder, and when I click on my folder, and YouTube website is added to Chromebook folder. This is a tutorial how we can add Chrome bookmarks whole folder.